So you want to play a 1v1?
Yeah, man, I want to beat you at Clink Scope.
Alright, bro, let's see about that. You're gonna beat me? Alright, let's see about that.
That was because my hands were sweaty, man.
Yeah.
Stop killing me!
I thought you could be better. Ah, see, you got better. You got better.
See? That's cool. Stop killing me! Oh.
What's wrong? What's wrong? You can't beat me? It's okay. What do you, wait, you can't knife.
Killed you.
Hey, why do you keep up? Come on. Ah. Ah. You sure you can beat me?
Yeah, I can beat you. Yeah, I'm even beating you right now.
No, you're in a tie. I'm beating you.
I was so close to killing you, man. I was like a tomahawk. Tomahawk head. Ah! Hardscope! That was the hardscope, you hacker.
Five lanes ready for deployment.
Stop, you're hacking.
I'm not hacking.
You're
No,
hacking.
I think you should I think something's wrong with your online. I think you're lagging.
You think I'm lagging?
Yeah, because like that's why you're not being able to kill me. So try hitting your PS3 like just once.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Alright. Now try to kill me.
Friendly 5 lane inbound. 5 lane standing by.
Cheater! You cheater!
I think you're supposed to jump up and you're supposed to start saying
Stop!
Your package is ready for delivery. Mark it easy.
no, you're supposed to say I'm a noob. And it'll work. Yeah, like say I'm a noob.
I'm a noob.
Alright, it should start working now.
What's a noob?
Well, it's if you look it up in a dictionary, it would show a picture of you, but I mean, I'm not sure. Yeah. So, is it working for you? Is it working?
Cobra standing by.
What's wrong? You can't kill me? I thought you were good. Oh, you. Oh. See, that's all you needed to do. You just needed to say, I'm a noob. So every time you kill me, say I'm a noob. But if I kill you, say I'm gay.
Okay. No. That I know what that means.
Oh, okay. Say I am a cunt if I kill you.
Is that like a candy? I think so.
Biplane
Yeah, it's a
ready for
candy.
deployment.
So say it. I'm a cunt. Yeah, like that, like that. Like, look, come here. Right here. Don't do anything. Don't try to kill me. Look, just stand right there, and then look, this should happen.
You cheater!
I didn't cheat.
You're a cheater.
What's wrong? He rage quit it. He rage quit.